In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your learner's permit in Maryland. To get started, we're going to tackle about your eligibility and the basic requirements. So first, of course, you must be at least 15 years and 9 months old to apply for a first-time or Type 1 learner's permit. And if you already have a license and are switching types, you may need a Type 2 learner's permit. Now we're gonna tackle about the documents and proof that you must bring with you when you visit an MVA office. First is, of course, you must have your proof of identity and age. It could be a valid birth certificate or US passport. Next is proof of your social security number. It could be your SSN card, W-2, or recent pay stub. You also need two documents proving Maryland residency. It could be utility bills, bank statements, lease or rental agreement. And if you are under 16, a completed and sealed school attendance certification form or the form DL300. And if you are under 18, a parent or legal guardian must co-sign the application. Now moving on with the requirement tests that you should take. So first, you must pass a vision screening at the time of application. You must also pass a written knowledge test on Maryland road rules and signs. This exam is usually 25 questions and requires a high passing score, and there will be a fee of about 65 US dollars. And to complete your learner's permit application, you must make an appointment at any of the MVA's full service offices. You basically have all the information that you need to know, including these links, by visiting the official webpage of mvamaryland.gov. And here, by following this link, you can see the offices near your location that you can visit to start your appointment. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!